Let's go.
Hey everyone, if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Noor and I post new videos every single Thursday. And I don't want to brag, but I've been posting some really cool things on my social media as well. I have my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter all down below as well. So, for instance, today we were doing makeup artistry, which was covering up tattoos. So we would cover up half of it and leave the other half so you can, of course, see the tattoo and see the difference of it being covered. So this is my tattoo. Let's see if it'll focus. As you can tell though, there's an evil eye. Half of it is right there and the other half is covered. So if you kind of want to see the picture better or get onto my social media and follow me to kind of see everything I've been posting for my skincare classes and makeup artistry courses, then hit that down below and don't forget to subscribe as well while you're down there. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not, but you know. Anywho, also, I want to do a get to know me tag because I feel like there are a lot of new subscribers, and even to the ones that have been subscribed, of course you don't know everything about me, and I kind of wanted just to have like a little heart to heart and just kind of share some things about myself. So let's just get straight into the video. So I have the questions on my phone right here. The first question is, what is your middle name? So funny story, my middle name is pronounced apparently, or so they say, Layla. But it's spelled L-E-L-L-I-A, so whose fault do you think that is? Yeah, so anyways, it's pronounced Layla, but the L comes before the I. Like, I thought if it would be Layla, it'd be L-E-I-L-A, Layla, instead of Lelia, but whatever. My middle name's Layla. 2, what is your favorite color? So I like any kind of blue, honestly. If it's blue, I like it. Like my water spray bottle for my hair is blue. That's how you know. That's how you know. Who was your first best friend? So my first best friend was Chelsea, and we've been friends since 1st grade, which was a really long time ago and probably has been way too long. So if you're watching this, Chelsea, then you know you gotta go. I'm just kidding. I love you. 4, how tall are you? I'm 5'4". 5 cats or dogs. So funny story, I live with my aunt, as some of you may know. And I have my own cat. Oh, he's sleeping on the bed over there. He's like that little, right there. I brought him with me, but she has 8 cats, so now we have 9, including mine. We have 4 dogs, so it's like a little petting zoo. Funniest moment throughout school. So I wouldn't. Here, I'll do my beauty school throughout school moment. So today we were in class, and this girl is just very funny. Esther, if you're watching this, it's you. She just makes really interesting facial expressions, and we were talking about something, and I have a tendency, if I'm drinking water, to kind of spit everywhere. So I literally spit water, like a full mouth of water, all over her and the floor, and it was kind of embarrassing, but it was pretty funny. She literally started spraying the floor with alcohol afterwards to disinfect my spray. How many countries have you visited is question number 7. I visited technically 1, and it was Lebanon. 8, are you in or have gone to college? I'm in trade school, as I've mentioned, for makeup artistry, skincare. I learned waxing, all that fun jazz. What is my, number 9 is, what is my favorite and worst subject in high school? My favorite subject was English because I liked how creative you can be, and I really love reading and writing. My worst subject was definitely math. The only reason I got through anything math related was to all those people out there, those real people that let me cheat off. Thank you. 10, what is my favorite drink? Probably coffee or wine. 11, what is your favorite animal? So not like a house animal, I would say probably like a tiger or lion. If I could be an animal, I think that's what I want to be. 11, oh that was 11. 12, what is your favorite perfume? I really like the Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf, I'm kind of basic. 13, tea or coffee? Coffee for sure. 14, what would you or have I named my children? So children, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them, but I don't know if I want to have them. And if I did, I don't know what I would name them, but I'm totally not in the children mind thing right now. 15, what sports have I played or do I play? So I don't play anything currently, but I have played soccer, cheerleading, wrestling, track, and I think that's it. What is my favorite book? I honestly like any of the Rupi, I think her last name's Kaur. It's like, I think Kaur. I like poetry personally, or anything romance. I'm really soft. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? I really like Carly Bible. I like Megan. Her YouTube I believe is Ciao Bella. I like Yvette. I think hers is Yvette Loves Beauty. They're all really great. What is my favorite movies? Question number 18. Honestly, Norbit and White Chicks will forever have my heart. They're so funny. If you have not watched them, you need to watch them. I promise. 19. Are you single or taken? I'm definitely technically single. I mean, I'm dating. Nothing serious, but I'm not in a relationship. 20. What's your idea of an ideal first date? So it's not like, oh, I want to have this or go out anywhere. It's honestly just a date where I can talk to you, have like great conversation, and you have manners and you're fun to be around. That's really all that makes me happy. 21 is how many boyfriends have you had? I've had one. 22, favorite memory from my childhood. So this is gonna sound corny, but from what I can remember, I remember going to the beach one day. I mean, I've been to the beach before that, but one specific day, and I was riding the school bus. Like, you know, like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. That one. So that school bus, and I really liked it. It was a ride. It was really fun. Just remember like waving from the top of it. I felt so like large in life. 23, do you speak any different languages and how well? I speak Arabic, and I mean, I'm fluent enough to talk to my grandmother, who doesn't speak very much English, so I'd consider that pretty good or well, but I definitely understand way more than I can speak because I don't have like the tongue. 24, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother. 25, how would you describe your fashion sense? So I feel like I'm sort of like edgy, yet girly, yet athletic. It's kind of differs depending on the day, I guess. 26, what is your favorite restaurant? I really like Vesta. If you live in North Jersey, you should definitely try it out. Super yummy. It's Italian. 27, what are some of your favorite TV shows? Shameless, for sure. Let me know down below in the comments if you watch Shameless. Game of Thrones. And I watch Friends like every night. I don't care if I've seen the episode like 100 times, a million times. It will forever be my favorite show. 28, PC or Mac? Definitely Mac. 29, what iPhone do you have? Or phone? Sorry, I didn't say iPhone, but I have the iPhone 8. And 30, tell us one of your bad habits. So especially for being in skincare, this is a super, super, super bad habit, but I pick my face. Like if I feel something, I just need to constantly like pick at it. It's really bad. Leaves scarring, pigmentation, but I can't help but pick my face. I don't know. It's just a problem. So anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys liked this get to know me tag better. If you have any other tag videos or videos in general you would like to see, leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys in my upcoming videos. And I also wanted to let you know I can't wait to film my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.